Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the crying filter on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here and just hit continue. And you can see that it automatically comes up with the camera at the top. Right. I'm going to switch it to show my face in the camera. And if you've seen people post with a crying filter, I'll walk you through the steps to do that. You can see at the bottom right here, there's a little smiley face. I'll just tap on that, and it will come up with a bunch of different filters. Now what I can do is I can swipe up here just on that screen. I've just basically swiped up, and it shows all of these various filters that I can use and search for. So at the very top here, we're going to want to search for crying. So it gives us a bunch of different options and kind of examples of what they look like. I'm just going to choose this very first option. You can see Snapchat makes it themselves, and it adds this crying filter to me. And it makes, even if I smile, it makes me look like I'm crying, and I can tap and record this video. And then I can send it to my story. I can send it to friends. I can use it however I want. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.